Students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, I will teach you maths topic that is division. Yes, friends, so take your notebooks and pencils with you, and here we start. Yes, our topic of today teaching is that is division. Yes, first of all, I will tell you what is division. Division means equal sharing or equal grouping. Let us first understand what equal sharing or equal grouping means. Yes, firstly, equal sharing can be understood with the help of one example. Yes, Chimpu is a generous and obedient monkey. He always follows his mother's teachings. His mother always tells him about sharing things. One day, Chimpu's father gave him 9 bananas, so he decided to share the bananas equally with his two siblings, Miku and Bholu. How many bananas will each of them get? Let us find out. Chimpu has 9 bananas. Yes, you can see here the picture of 9 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, Chimpu doesn't know how to divide 9 bananas among the 3 of them. So he keeps firstly 1 banana for each. He gave 1 banana to each. Yes, then after giving 3 bananas here, 1 to Miku, 1 to Bholu and 1 he kept for himself. And then how many bananas left with him? He is left with 6 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after that, from these 6 bananas, he gave 1 more banana to them. He gave 1 more banana to Miku, and he gave 1 more banana to Bholu, and he gave 1 more banana to Chimpu. Now after giving these 3 bananas, he is left with 3 bananas. Then these 3 bananas he again gives them 1 more banana to each. Yes, now you can see 9 bananas are equally shared, equally distributed among these 3. Yes, now he is left with no bananas. You can see that each one of them gets 3 bananas. So if we divide 9 bananas among 3, we get 3. We can write this as a division fact. Here you can see 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 9 the number to be divided, 3 the number of monkeys, and the number in each group. This 3 is the number in each group. Yes, we can write this as a division fact. This is a division fact, and we read it as 9 divided by 3 equals 3. We read it 9 divided by 3 equals 3. See again, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Yes, this is the symbol of the division. Yes, now what is equal grouping? See one more example. 12 gifts are to be given to the children. This is a picture of 12 gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, these are the 12 gifts are to be given to the children. Yes, if 2 gifts are to be given to each child, each means one child. If 2 gifts are to be given to the one child, how many children will get these gifts? Yes, total number of gifts are 12. Each child gets 2 gifts. Yes, so we will form the groups like these. Means these 2 gifts will be given to one child. These 2 gifts will be given to second child. These will be to third, this fourth, this fifth, and this sixth. Now you can see how many children will get the gifts. 6 groups are formed, so 6 children will receive the gifts. We can say that if we give 2 gifts to each child, then 12 gifts can be divided among 6 children. Yes, we can write this division fact as 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Yes, we read it as 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Yes, now the most important thing to remember, what is that? The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. And the answer we get after division is called the quotient. Listen again. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The answer we get after division is called the quotient. Yes, now see one more example relating to the division. Here is one sweet shop. Yes, and the shopkeeper is saying, I have an order of 3,192 pastries. I want to pack them in 21 large boxes equally. How many pastries should I pack in each box? And there is one child like you was standing there. He told the answer to that in how many boxes he should pack the pastries. How he come to know? After doing the division. Yes, then he told the answer with the help of the division. He divided total pastries by that by the number of boxes. Yes, he divided 3,192 by 21, and after division he got 152. So he told the shopkeeper that you should pack 152 pastries in each box. Yes friends, now I will tell you regarding division facts. Yes, dividing by 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. You can see with the help of example. If a number is divided by 1, the answer is the quotient is the number itself. If we divide 5 by 1, we will get 5. If we divide 55 by 1, we will get 55. If we divide 555 by 1, we will get 555. Yes, then what is the second fact? Dividing by number itself. When a non-zero means except 0. When a number that is non-zero means 0 is not there. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. You can see the example. When a number is divided by itself means 7 is divided by 7 only, then we will get 1 as the quotient. If we divide 77 by 77, then we will get quotient as 1. If 777 is divided by 777, then again we will get the quotient as 1. Means when a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is always 1. Now what is the next divisibility fact? That is dividing 0 by a number. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. When 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quotient is 0. You can see it with the help of example. When 0 will be divided by non-zero number. Non-zero number means the number other than 0. 0 divided by 8, we will get 0 as the quotient. If 0 is divided by 88, we will get the quotient as 0. We will get the answer as 0. When 0 will be divided by 888, then we will also get the quotient as 0. Yes, now what is the next division fact? That is dividing by 0. We cannot divide a number by 0. This is the rule of the division. This is the rule of the maths, that we cannot divide a number by 0. See, it's not possible to divide a number by 0. Yes friends, hope you have understood what is division and what are the divisions facts. Yes, you can better understand with the help of the assignments that you will do by yourself. Do the practice and hope for your good. Have a beautiful day ahead.